What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to protect your suede boots, leather jacket, or pretty much any garment that's suede. This can be any quality suede, from good quality to high-end luxury quality. This product is best for luxury quality. You don't have to worry about it staining or changing color, unlike other brands that I've tried before. And of course I'm talking about the Saphir water and stain protector. Now this is an expensive product compared to the rest. This you get it between $27 to $30, but in my opinion it's definitely worth it. Now this is not a sponsored video. They didn't send me this to review anything. This is just something that I've been using myself. This is the product that allows me to wear my suede in rainy and snowy days and without worrying about them, without babying my shoes, and being very comfortable. And because of this product, I am more leaning into suede than leather shoes now. I used to be fearful to wear suede, but now because of this, I don't have to worry about it at all. So enough with the talking. Let me show you guys how to apply this product. Now this product, like every other product, it only lasts for a certain amount of time, but it does do its job, and it doesn't fade your boots, and it doesn't change the colorway, as you can see, which is a really big plus, especially when used on my Saint Laurent Wyatts. These are very expensive boots, and I don't want to ruin the suede or ruin the color. Now for best protection, I recommend you wait for your boots to dry, although they dry instantly after spraying, but wait about an hour for them to dry and then spray it again. And then wait till the next day and then spray it one more time. This is going to secure the boots and give you the best protection. And with this, you can pretty much wear them anywhere, and you won't even have to worry about them or anything like that. Now, for the purpose of this video, I only sprayed them once, but as you can see, they still protect against the water. But for best protection, I would recommend you spray them 2 to 3 times, and you definitely want to spray them at least once a month, depending on how much you wear them. I use this on my suede jackets, on my leather jackets, pretty much any garment that you want to waterproof. So this is definitely worth it in my opinion. You guys check out Saphir waterproof protector. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to waterproof your suede. If so, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe below. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.